Salman Khurshid, who's joining us. Mr. Khurshid, thanks for joining in. Your first reaction on Lakhvi walking out of jail. We also have GVL with us at this point of time, who has said that it's because of the NDA government's efforts that he was detained so far in the prison.
Well, I must say that the word that comes to mind is shocking. But perhaps the word shocking is not strong enough for such a horrendous thing to have happened. And I think that it's ridiculous for anyone on behalf of government or anybody to be saying that we managed to keep him there for so long. I think this is nothing short of ridiculous. It's sad today. We don't want to score points about what BJP has done or not done, and the government has done or not done. I think this is a matter that concerns the whole country. And as one single voice, the whole country, instead of taking credit for having extended his incarceration for so long, I think we should be looking at the fact that he's been released. And as a nation, one voice, we must express our deepest distress and our anguish at what has happened, and to put completely out of any consideration the efforts that have been made, timely efforts, now one by one, to try and score some points about having improved relations with Pakistan. I think this is very sad, very sad.